Hi everyone, let's talk about this 9 by 65 feet plastic drop. This is a sheet to cover all of your furniture, your carpet, your floor, when you're painting, when you're removing popcorn from the ceiling, when you're doing any DIY home project. You want to make sure you have one of these on hand. We got the 1 pack of 9 by 65 feet, but there's bigger ones as well in more quantities if you guys want to check that out. How this works is that you're going to be pulling off this corner here and sticking it to the wall, and then you can pull it from there. This is just a very long plastic that can cover everything from your couch to your dinner table, making it easy cleanup later on. You want to make sure that you're not going to stain, drop paint on, or that dust is not going to collect all over your furniture. And this is so easy to use, you guys. I am so happy we purchased this. So go check this out, you guys. If you're into home DIYs or you're going to do a messy project, this is something you want to have on hand.